Can I use any type of vinegar as a cat repellent?
Hey there, cat lovers! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether any type of vinegar can be used as a cat repellent. Cat repellents are commonly used to keep cats away from certain areas of the house or garden. Vinegar is often suggested as a natural and safe option for repelling cats due to its strong odor. Let's dive in and explore this topic further.
Types of vinegar.
Not all vinegars are created equal when it comes to repelling cats. While vinegar in general can have a deterrent effect on cats, there are different types of vinegar that you can consider. Distilled white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar is the most commonly used type of vinegar for various household purposes, including cat repellent. It has a strong odor that cats generally find unpleasant, which may help keep them away from specific areas. When using distilled white vinegar, it's important to dilute it with water before application to prevent any potential damage to surfaces. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another type that some people use as a cat repellent. It has a distinct smell that may deter cats from entering certain areas. Like distilled white vinegar, it should also be diluted before use. However, it's worth noting that the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar as a cat repellent may vary from cat to cat. Other types of vinegar. While distilled white vinegar and apple cider vinegar are the most commonly used types for cat repellent purposes, other types of vinegar like balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, or rice vinegar are generally not recommended. These types of vinegar have milder scents and may not be as effective in repelling cats.
Application and considerations.
Now that we've discussed the different types of vinegar, let's talk about how to use vinegar as a cat repellent and some important considerations. Preparation. To create a cat repellent spray using vinegar, you'll need to mix the vinegar with water. The recommended ratio is typically 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. This dilution helps reduce the strength of the vinegar and prevent any potential harm to surfaces or plants. Application. Once you've prepared the vinegar solution, you can transfer it to a spray bottle for easy application. Spray the mixture on the areas you want to keep cats away from, such as furniture, doorways, or specific spots in the garden. Be sure to test the spray on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't cause any discoloration or damage. Safety and alternatives. While vinegar is generally considered safe for use around cats, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Cats have a strong sense of smell, so the strong odor of vinegar might make them avoid the sprayed areas. However, some cats may not be bothered by the smell, and it's always best to observe your cat's behavior and adjust your approach accordingly. If you're concerned about using vinegar or if it doesn't seem to be effective in repelling your cat, you can explore other cat repellent options available in the market. There are various commercial products specifically designed for deterring cats, including motion-activated devices, ultrasonic repellents, or natural deterrent sprays that are formulated with a combination of different scents and ingredients. In conclusion, while vinegar can be used as a cat repellent, not all types of vinegar are equally effective. Distilled white vinegar and apple cider vinegar are the most commonly used types for this purpose. Remember to dilute the vinegar with water.